Okay, hopefully this turns out normal. Today I'm trying a new product by Sachu. This is a peel off lip liner stay in, and I have 3 shades. First of all, this is the cutest packaging, and if you have ever looked into this brand, she is adorable. The founder is just so cute, and I love watching her videos. But also, on top of these being such a cute and innovative product, the ingredients are so amazing. So I was reading through the ingredients here. Hyaluronic acid, vitamin E for conditioning benefits. So not only are they so cool to use, they're great for your lips, and they're going to stay in place. So let me wipe this off, and then I'm going to show you what these look like. I'm going to swatch these on my hand and actually show you what they look like, and then I'm going to pick the one that we're going to go with today. This is the first one. Here's the packaging. And let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's a twist. Oh, it's like a gloss. I don't know what I was expecting, but not that, which is so cool. So this one is number 2, and this is mauve. And I've actually been looking for a nice mauve. Now I'm gonna say it mauve forever, but I've been looking for a nice mauve lip liner. I actually have somewhere to be, so I'm gonna permanently stain my hand today. Oh my god, that is cool. Look how dark that is. And this one is number 3. This is pea inked. Oh, these are so cool. Let's see. I'm really curious how I'm going to be able to get a really precise line with kind of like a lip gloss wand. And there's Hazel on the top. Okay, so I'm too impatient to even wait for these to dry on my hand. I'm just gonna pick one today, and I'm gonna go with number 2, which is mauve. And we're just gonna see what this looks like. I'm gonna be very careful. But okay, I almost want to create this into kind of like into my lip. So I'm gonna fill in those corners a little bit, I think. Wow. And there's the final look. I hope you love it. Don't get any on my teeth. I almost want to start with my hand and see like how easy it is to peel it off. Oh, there's the first shade. That's pretty. I hope that's what I put on. I think that's mauve. Whoa. Oh, gorgeous. Look at this color. Oh, it's pretty easy actually. So you just like scrape the edge. If you've ever used hard wax, it's like that same. Oh, look at the pea inked. Oh, I'm so obsessed. I am so obsessed. And that is gonna stay input. It's like all day and all night is how they describe it. Look how cool it like peels off. Okay, so are you as shocked as I am? Because these colors, I'm in love with every single one. I will wear every single one. So now let's see what this looks like on. I'm so excited. Look at this. Oh. That is cool. Look at that. I know you want to see that up close. It's honestly so easy. Like, look how this just peels off gently. Like, you're not supposed to do it fast. Okay, so I have everything off, and you can kind of see how it looks. So it's more of like this lip stain. But what's so cool about this is that this is going to stay in place all day and all night. So I don't have to go and put on liners. And as you can see, I think my application the first time is kind of iffy. I could probably do a little bit better next time. But I do want to show you what it looks like with a gloss over it, because that's basically my goal, is to just have something here all day long. I don't have to think about, I don't have to reapply, I don't need a mirror. And then I'll just go over with a gloss. I chose clear today. This is Huda Beauty's Glassy in her Faux Filter collection. And I just want to show you what this looks like with just some clear gloss over it. And here you have it. This is the final and completed look using the Setchu lip liner Stay In. What a cool concept, what a cool product. I think this is gorgeous. This looks so beautiful in real life. I cannot believe it. And just to think that this is going to stay in place and I can just keep applying lip gloss is so fantastic. I love this. So if you have any questions about this brand or these products, I'm going to link everything below in the description, but feel free to leave me a comment if you do have a question. I'm always here and happy to help. Thank you so much for your love and your support. I appreciate you. I want you to have a fantastic day, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.